Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video on how to create your Genshin Impact account on your PC. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser and on the search tab type Genshin Impact and enter. And now click on the first link that appears on your screen. That will lead you to the Genshin Impact site. And now for the official site, you can see here official site button. Click it. Here on the right side you can see this login option here. Click it. So if you already have an account, then you can log in from here, but since we do not have any, we will be clicking on register now. Now from here, you can register your Genshin Impact account. First of all, give your email address that you want your account to be associated with, and after you do this, you can see this verification code here, and on the right side you can see this send. Click on it, and after you do this, a puzzle will appear on your screen. Solve it, and with this, Genshin Impact will send you a verification code on the email address that you have provided. Before we enter our verification code, let's create our password first. Enter the password as you prefer, and after you do this, re-enter the password again for the confirmation. And with this, now go back to your email, and you can see here we have already received a verification code from Genshin Impact. Give your verification code here. And after you do this, agree to the terms and policy that has been given and click on this register button. Now here you can see that our account has been created. So this was it for today guys. If you guys liked the video and find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel.